A sleepy stable yard near Stuttgart in Germany. Apparently a totally normal morning. In some ways, everything here always revolves around horsepower. Today, however, a bit more than usual. A German motoring magazine has chosen this location for a photo shoot. The story: a father discovers with his children that the Mercedes-Benz Formula One safety cars are parked up here. Naturally, also involved is official safety car driver Bernd Mailander. Looking at all his babies, he really gushes with pride. About this model, of course, there's loads to say. My debut car, the CLK 55 1999. At the San Marino Grand Prix, I became the safety driver for Formula 3000. Nearly 360 horsepower, a 5.5-litre V8 engine, so really sporty, powerful vehicle. And I've got lots of very good memories because, of course, it was the start. Now we're into Formula One with the CL55 AMG, my debut car in 2000, the car that I drove for the first season in Formula One. In the very first race in Melbourne, I got deployed. My blood pressure, I have to say, was extremely high. Now here from the CL55 AMG, which was used in 2000 and 2001, to a totally new variant, a sportier, smaller version. CLK 55 V8 engine, power output about 360 horsepower. This is where in 2003 and 2004 we then began to play with aerodynamics. And here on the bumper at the front we started to work with aerodynamics as well with air outlets. With the CLK 55, proper aerodynamic design then took off. You can see it quite clearly in the light fittings, and the trend then developed further. Here with the SLK 55 AMG, which was used in 2004 and 2005, a whole new era began. It was a totally new vehicle, newly launched with a new wheel design, which was really revolutionary then, and a new design for the lights. And very familiar, the nose, which with its long pointed shape, was taken a bit from the Formula One concept. What was really striking was the short wheelbase, and that made it very nippy to drive, a bit aggressive, but it was always fantastic fun. So now we come to one of my personal highlights, the CLK 63 V8 engine, 6.3-litre cubic capacity, a beast of a car. The engine's called the M156. Back then it was a completely new engine with incredible output, from 360 horsepower, now here well over 500 with this car. When the new SL63 came out in 2008, it was immediately used as the safety car. The vehicle was deployed for the first time at the Australian Grand Prix. What made it special was a whole new 7-gear speed shift system with an interim burst of throttle when shifting down. That was what I found most striking. This car we used for the 2008 and 2009 seasons. It was deployed a lot in 2009, in particular, when it was often out on the track. Now we're already up to the current era, the SLS AMG, a very familiar car. Very special features here are the gull-wing doors. They were special for me too, as it was the first car I'd driven with doors like that. Very special design. The sportiest and fastest safety car built today. With 571 horsepower, V8 engine, 6.3-litre and 0 to 100 in around 4 seconds. I don't think it gets much sportier. There's one short, fantastic story. The longest Formula One race ever lasted 4 hours and was in 2011 with Montreal. For 48% of the race, I was in the lead. And so now we're almost to the end already. 13 years of safety cars in Formula One. Beautiful vehicles. And here now is the new baby, the new safety car. The new SLS AMG GT, my new safety car. A new design. I'm looking forward to it.